Ever step into bright sunlight and suddenly, achoo? That's not sun dust. It's the photic sneeze reflex, a quirky wiring mix-up in your head. When intense light hits your eyes, your optic nerve fires a big signal to the brain. Nearby, the trigeminal nerve, your face's alarm line, like a doorbell that triggers nose irritation, can get jostled by the crosstalk. Your brain misreads the light spike as a tickle in the nose, so it launches a sneeze to clear a problem that isn't there. It tends to run in families, which hints at a genetic link. And it's most obvious when you go from dim to bright, like leaving a movie theater into noon sun, because the sudden contrast is the strongest trigger. Fun fact, it's harmless, but don't sneeze mid-drive. Use a visor and ease into the light.